We are at Sigma Metals in Colorado Springs, where artist Byung Do Moon is making repairs to a vandalized sculpture. The sculpture is titled, "I Have Been Dreaming to Be a Tree." It was vandalized in September of this year, and one of the antlers was badly damaged. The artist, Byung Do Moon, lives in South Korea, and we had to bring him to Colorado Springs in order to make these repairs and return it to its original intended state. The City of Colorado Springs owns 99 pieces of public art that are part of our permanent collection. All of them are donated to the city's collection. Public art plays an important role in communities such as Colorado Springs. They help to establish a unique identity for Colorado Springs. We're analyzing our current collection and asking the public where they would like to see the public art program go in the future.